Hey friends, I thought I'd do a quick video on the zero footprint Outlook integration for Content Manager and just the requirements to get it functional. And also I'll give you a quick preview, but I'm not going to go through every functionality today. So if you've recently had your Outlook updated to the new web-based version, you'll notice the Content Manager ribbon is no longer there. Microsoft are phasing it out. So eventually the integration in its current form with Outlook will no longer function and you'll need to use a zero footprint integration to get it to work. So I'll show you the requirements for that. So we just need a app registration in Entra so we can help you set that up. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need a working service API instance exposed externally, and that hooks up to your app registration. And then you'll also need to deploy some manifest files as well. I know it's a bit hard to read in dark mode in this browser, but there'll be an add-in which you add to your instance of M365, and you can deploy that out. And you can also deploy it to specific users. So it's really handy if you're wanting just to test it. You may have the Outlook integration at the moment and you're wanting to test the zero footprint integration as well. You can do that to a select group of users if you wanted to. And while you're there, if you're doing the Outlook one, you might consider just doing the Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. You've just got to deploy that manifest file. And they're the three requirements. And once it's deployed, as I said, there's no Content Manager ribbon anymore. But if I open up the email, there's now a Content Manager button there. And this is a zero footprint integration where you can check in your record, you can check in the email and the attachment, and there's some other buttons in there as well. The check-in styles, you've got your linked folders, and it's quite handy, those linked folders. They'll use email link because it means you can actually do stuff rather than needing to be in the Outlook client. You can log into office.com and you can actually use a zero footprint integration here as well, and even on, say, a mobile phone. So that's, a very quick summary of the zero footprint integration with Outlook. And as I said, you can deploy it to the other Office products as well. I think I've got it set up in Word for testing purposes, just so you can see. See, I've still got the current Content Manager integration in its current form, and you can actually have the zero footprint deployed at the same time. So it's really handy if you're wanting to test it and you're not wanting to disrupt your entire organization. If you've got a select group of users that you want to test the zero footprint in, and you can have it up side by side, which is quite handy. But any questions on that, just feel free to reach out and we'll help you where we can. Thank you.